What's up YouTube, it's the Gizmo Pro here. Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the all-new Galaxy Watch Ultra. This latest addition to Samsung's Galaxy Watch lineup promises to be the most powerful yet. I've had some early hands-on time with it, so let me share my first impressions and give you a tour of Samsung's newest watch. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the bell notification icon to get all my latest videos. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is designed for extreme durability, featuring a frame partially built from titanium grade 4 and boasting 10 atmospheres of water resistance. Samsung claims it can withstand depths of up to 100 meters for 10 minutes, a claim we'll need to test in real-world scenarios. Available in titanium silver, titanium gray, and titanium white, the Galaxy Watch Ultra comes in a single size option, only 47 millimeters. You can choose from a variety of bands to suit your style. The trail loop with softer material, the marine loop with a silicone finish, and the peak form band, combining soft touch and rubber. Each band comes in at least 3 colors, orange, gray, and white, with the marine loop also available in green. There are 2 band extraction buttons for easy change. This new design language is quite distinctive. Personally, I like it, but it's a subjective choice. Starting at $650, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is competitively priced compared to the Apple Watch Ultra, which starts at $800. Ouch. During my hands-on experience, I was impressed by the smooth interface thanks to the new Exynos W1000 chip. 3nm Pro processor with 5 cores, 32 GB of storage, and 2 GB of RAM. The watch runs on One UI 6.0 and Wear OS 5, powered by Samsung, offering smooth operation and customization options. Inside the box, we find the watch band, charger with a Type-C connector, and the official magnetic puck. Now, let's check out the watch itself. I'm really liking the titanium gray color with orange accents, I will admit. Here's our first look at the new Quick button. Not a rotating crown like the Apple Watch Ultra, unfortunately, but a customizable Quick button. The new band connection system clips right into place with a satisfying click. This orange really pops. Now the watch weighs 92 grams, a bit hefty compared to the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic at 85 grams. But despite its size, the watch offers numerous fitting options to ensure comfort for any wrist size. On my wrist, it's surprisingly comfortable even during activities like push-ups. Now let's boot up the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The watch boasts a 1.5-inch display with a color always on feature and peak brightness of 3000 nits, matching the Apple Watch Ultra 2. You can press and hold the screen to customize and change watch faces, with many available to download from the Play Store. You can customize the watch faces easily and even add more functionality with the newly added Quick button by using the Wearable app on your smartphone. You can even map functions like launching the stopwatch or flashlight. You can also customize the other 2 buttons on the watch for double press or long press actions. The Galaxy Watch Ultra does not, however, have a physical rotating bezel, but emulates this function through touch around the screen edges. You can even disable the touch bezel if you prefer. The Galaxy Watch Ultra features new AI functions such as an energy score derived from health data, sleep tracking metrics, and advanced features like sleep apnea detection and suggested replies. Emergency features include a loud siren, fall detection, and SOS services. Navigating the watch is smooth even without a physical rotating bezel. You can swipe along the edge of the display for navigation. The interface feels fluid and responsive, a significant improvement from previous models. The Quick Control panel offers various modes like sleep, theater, driving, and even exercise. The watch also has a very bright display with peak brightness, holding up well in harsh lighting. The watch offers a lot of functionality, including pairing with headphones, finding your phone, and accessing applications directly. It has a responsive Quick button and a bright flashlight feature. Battery-wise, the Galaxy Watch Ultra packs a massive 590 mAh capacity, nearly double that of the regular Galaxy Watch 7. It includes advanced exercise tracking functions tailored for extreme environments, upgraded heart rate sensors, built-in ECG, and even irregular heart rhythm notifications. After nearly a full day of use, the battery life is impressive, which should last about 3 days with all features turned on. This is quite good compared to the previous Galaxy watches, which, let's be honest, didn't have the best battery life. The comfort of the watch is another highlight. Despite its bulky appearance, it feels great on the wrist even during workouts. The titanium gray design, as I said before, has really grown on me, and I appreciate the bright responsive display. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is impressive with robust features and a high build quality. The price is high, but it's competitively priced compared to the Apple Watch Ultra, and there are good deals available online. Now, I wanted to say, despite what people say, oh, hey, this design is copying directly off of Apple, that isn't the truth. To be brutally honest, the design is copied directly from Samsung's previous watch designs. It was just improved slightly. They tweaked it. I mean, they took what worked in the past and, just altered it slightly, and it definitely works. The Galaxy Watch Ultra combines comfort, functionality, and a smooth user experience. I'm happy with the new processor, the bright screen, and seamless navigation. Now, I do plan to purchase this watch and will test more bands. But what do you think about the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. By the way, folks, I have new merch up. The link will be in the description, so please check it out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for continuing to support my channel, and stay tuned for more in-depth hands-on comparisons. See you next time. Peace.